Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of A Tejswi IP Show, where we break down complex intellectual property concept into actionable tips. Today we are diving into a topic that is critical for innovators, businessmen, and law firms. So the topic is how to conduct a patent search. Whether you are an inventor looking to protect a new idea or a business, ensuring you are not infringing on existing patents. A thorough patent search is a must. So let's talk about the key step and best practices for conducting one. The first thing first, what exactly is a patent search? See, a patent search involves looking through existing patents and published applications to determine whether your invention is novel and non-obvious. Essentially, it helps you check if someone else has already patented a similar idea or product. Why is this important? Well, it can save you time, money, and a potential headache down the road. Imagine spending months on developing an invention only to find out that someone already holds the patent for it. Conducting a search early on ensures that you are on solid legal ground. So let's break it down step by step. Define your invention clearly. The first step is to have a clear and detailed understanding of your invention. What does it do? How is it different from existing solutions? The more precisely you can describe it, the easier it will be to search for similar patents. Use Second thing is use multiple databases. One of the most common mistakes people make is relying on a single patent database. While there are excellent free tools like Google Patent or SpaceNet, it's always a good idea to consult more than one database. The USPTO, that is United States Patent and Trademark Office, and WIPO, that is World Intellectual Property Organization. These databases are also a great resources. Generally, you go and check out Google Patent or SpaceNet, that is ESPACENET. Okay, so these are the great resources for researching. Use Third one is use relevant keywords and classifications. When conducting a patent search, you need to think about keywords and patent classification. Keywords are important, but you also want to look at how patent offices classify different inventions. Most offices use something called International Patent Classification System, that is IPC system. By identifying the right IPC class, you can narrow down your search to specific areas of technology. A good tip here is to brainstorm different keywords and synonyms. For example, if you have invented a new type of mechanical arm, you might want to search for terms like robotic arm, mechanical limb, or manipulator arm as well. Covering different terminology helps ensure you don't miss anything. So first analyze search result thoroughly. Once you have gathered results, don't just skim through them. You need to review each relevant patent closely. Focus on the claims section of each patent document. This is where the inventor specifies exactly what the patent covers. By reviewing the claims, you will be able to see if your invention overlap with any existing patents. Second one is look for both pending applications and granted patent. It's not enough to just look for granted patents. Make sure you also check for a pending patent application. These application may not be granted yet, but they could still pose a potential conflict if they are approved later. Okay, so let's say you find patents that are similar to your invention. What now? Well, all hope isn't lost. A similar patent doesn't necessarily mean your invention is unpatentable. The key here is to identify what makes your invention unique. You can improve the design. Does it have a new feature that our existing patents don't cover? This is where working with patent attorney can really help. They will guide you through refining your claims. So keep an ongoing search. Lastly, keep in mind that new patents are being filed every day. Conducting a search isn't a one-time activity. It's important to keep checking periodically, especially if you are in the early stages of product development. This way, you will stay on the top of any new filings that could affect your patent strategy. So I give you a pro tip. Consider working with a professional patent searcher or patent attorney or even intellectual property firm like us for more in-depth analysis. They have access to a specialized database and years of experience in navigating the complexities of patent law. While DIY searches are a great first step, professional can offer peace of mind, particularly when you are dealing with high stakes inventions. And don't forget, just because your invention clears a patent search doesn't guarantee you will get a patent. The patent examiner will conduct their own search during the review process. However, by conducting a thorough search yourself, you will be well prepared to handle any potential challenges. Before we wrap up, here is a quick recap. So, first, define your invention clearly before starting your search. Use multiple patent databases and search engines. Use the right keywords and classification to refine your results. Thoroughly analyze the claims of relevant patents. Look for both granted patents and pending application. Keep an ongoing search to monitor new filings. Consider consulting with a professional patent searcher for an in-depth search. That's it for today's episode on conducting a patent search. Whether you are an entrepreneur getting ready to file a patent or a legal professional advising clients, a well done patent search is an essential part of the process. So don't skip it. Thanks for tuning in to A Tejswi IP Show. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave us a review. We will back tomorrow with another quick tip and help you navigate the world of intellectual property. Until then, keep innovating and stay informed. Have a good day.